30 amp to 15 amp 110 volt RV adapter cord with locking connector. GearIT 30 amp female to 15 amp male Dogbone RV trailer camper, NEMA 5-15P L5-30R, STW 10 gauge heavy duty electrical power, 12 inches, 1 foot. Heavy duty, 15 amp, NEMA 5-15P, male to 30 amp, NEMA L5-30R, locking female, STW indoor-outdoor water resistant jacket, ETL listed. Superior specifications, 125 volts and 3,750 watts, 10 AWG American gauge wire, 100% copper wiring, 3 conductors. Weatherproof locking plug, NEMA L5-30R locking connector with threaded ring, help protect against any weather element. 90-degree bend, relieve, maintain flexibility, and reduce pressure on the cord. Durable material, made from the highest quality and most durable material for your RV. Heavy duty and durable. 15 amp male, NEMA 5-15P. Molded strain relief. 30 amp female, NEMA L5-30R. Twist lock ring. Take a closer look. PVC weather resistant cable jacket. Wire insulation. Bare copper conductors. Built to withstand harsh environments. UV protection, heat resistant. Weather resistant for outdoor use. Excellent for standard cold climates. Pressure proof connectors. This Dogbone adapter is your RV's best friend. Plug and play. Conveniently converts electrical connection type at campgrounds, motor parks and recreational areas. 12-inch extension adapter cord. Safe and easy to use. Ergo handle grip, safely plug and unplug connector. Extremely flexible cord for easy storage. Use handle grip to hang and organize adapter. Start your adventure with GearIT. Start your adventure right. Don't leave home without GearIT RV adapter.